Good morning. So, today is a day in the life of Ollie. This might end up being a week. This also might end up just being a mashup. This also might end up never coming out. But yeah, I have quite a few classes today, which is why it would be kind of cool to vlog. Because I've got some stuff that I need to be doing. I actually woke up like a while ago. It's about 9:30 now. I woke up at like 8, and then my mum came and brought me tea, and I've just been watching TikTok and YouTube. So yeah, it's time to get out of bed. Okay, so I just chose an outfit. This is it. So I'm just making breakfast, and today I'm having some oats. So that's what I'm making.
So what I'll look at now is easy enough. When you get further into their work.
So I just finished my class. This is wild. And I also finished my little breakfast, which was really I had to run, so I don't think I got any footage of it done because I had to run because I realized I was late. So I was like a minute late to my class. But it was really yummy. The peanut butter made it. I've honestly never put matcha in it before, and it tasted really good. But I feel like if I had more matcha in it, it would taste like grass. Like, you know how matcha kind of tastes like freshly cut grass? Like what you think freshly cut grass would taste like? But yeah, so I'm just gonna shower now in between my classes, and then I'll do my homework from maths and my homework that I need to do for some other classes, and then I've got another class, So I just got changed into this little shirt. It's got little love hearts all over it. It's kind of casual. It's got like a little collar. It's cute. This necklace that Charlie gave me. Just some black pants and my merino socks. Hello. So I have set up my desk, and I'm just gonna watch some YouTube. We'll finish off the YouTube I'm watching. So I'm currently watching Eva Malouche. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and then I've got a design class. So I just finished my design class, and I decided to paint one hand black and one hand green. It was just a vibe. I also just noticed that my dog's outside, so I'm just gonna go let her in. And then I need to do some design, so I can show you that. And I've got some maths and some bio, so I can do all of that and show you, which is so exciting. Hello, so I'm just watching some YouTube, and I thought I'd do some makeup inspired by a friend of mine. This is the look. So it's very cute, like yellow and then like black eyeliner. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, so I'm gonna try and recreate this. Okay, so I have entirely changed my makeup. This is what it looks like. I decided not to do my eyebrows or anything else. I just felt like doing my eyes, because I'm just casually at the house. Okay, so here's my completed makeup look. It just looks like this on the eyes. I don't know if this lighting's good enough. And my lips, I finished them off camera just because it was stressing me out. I couldn't get it right. But yeah, that's my eyes. So I'm cooking lunch, and so I started with some halloumi, which I've already eaten, and then I put some potatoes, some cauliflower in a pan, and I cooked it up, and then I just chucked in some black rice. And this mix here is just some coconut milk, curry powder, paprika, chili flakes, and some cashew spread. If you've lunch with James. Also be grown. This is our sun baby. So I changed from my outfit I was wearing before, so that's why it's on the bed. Because I got a bit cold, so I also turned my heater on. I'm just doing some design, which I can show you. It's not really overly exciting yet, but I'm just trying to put clothes in the shape of the world. So that's what I'm doing. So I guess I'll update you when that's done, and then I have an English class very soon. This vlog is really just exposing how much YouTube I watch. Hello, I just realized I haven't been filming, but I just did some homework and then I FaceTimed Charlie and I'm just watching TikTok, so I can't record that because I'm recording on my phone. Although I saw someone have TikTok on their computer the other day. Is that like real?
I don't want your body, but I hate to think about you with somebody else. Our love is gone cold, you're intertwining your soul with somebody else. I'm looking through you, are you looking through your phone, and then leaving with somebody else?
Hello, so I'm now ordering Chinese and that's all you need to know. This is my outfit of the night, just this jacket I had on before, my green dickies, my Docs, and this cute little bag I made. Okay, so this is day 2 of the vlog and we're about to go on a walk. I'm wearing this jumper again, my bike shorts, white socks, this little cute top, and yeah, so walk time. So we just finished our walk and there are the boys and there's Mum. Hi vlog. Okay. So I just literally woke up, put on a hoodie, and we just drove down to the supermarket because it's Mother's Day today, and so we're getting some bits and bobs. This is Mother's Day. Good morning. Hello. So, James.
Hey gamers.
We are going on a walk
No, he's not. He's not.
for Mother's Day. Wondering why I look so tall. Yeah.
The track's looking good, I reckon it would have been a good mountain bike ride so far. That's what I asked Rob to clean up.
Okay, so I just went and made myself a fruit bowl. I've just been doing some homework, I've been doing some design, I've thought about doing English, I've done some bio, because I totally forgot it was Mother's Day when I didn't do much work yesterday. So I need to catch up on schoolwork. So yeah, and then tomorrow I need to package up a whole bunch of Depop orders. Yummy. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish my fruit, do some more bio, and then I might watch a little bit of YouTube before I go to bed, but I'll update you later. Hello, long time no talk. It is Monday morning. I'm just quickly going to the post office to do some Depop orders. Then I need to come back for class. I've already had one class this morning. I'm hoping I won't miss a class while I'm at the post office. Okay, so I'm hoping.
So it's a case here.
So I just got.
Let's just read that little bit there.
Changed. I'm back from making Depop.
This is a significant.
Hello. So I just ate lunch. I'm turning out to be a terrible vlogger. I'm just on my yoga mat. I'm just gonna do a little workout. It's not really interesting. I need my phone to like look at the video. But I can link the video I did or do depending on what I feel like doing. Yeah.